Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up and earn money on JobStreet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. Then you have to select a country to explore jobs, like Malaysia, Singapore, Philippines, Indonesia, or Indonesia in other language, Bahasa. So I'm going to select Indonesia English and click on the explore jobs. And after that, to create an account, you have to click on the Me option icon at the bottom of the screen, the last one. After that, manage your profile, and here you can log in if you have an account already, but if you do not have one, click on the sign up. And you can see that you can continue with Facebook, or you have to give your first name, last name, email address, and password. So I've just typed in the information needed for signing up. And now, where would you like to work in Indonesia? Select up to 5. Here you can see exact locations where you would like to work. Alright, so I've just selected randomly 5. And after that, what kind of jobs are you looking for? And here you can see subcategories and exact type of works. Here you can select 5 specializations as well. After that, click on the continue. And lastly, what kind of salary range are you looking for? Alright, done. And after that, click on the continue. And after that, click on the explore jobs. And you can see the home page of the app, and you are signed in to this job search application. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.